what I'm going to show you is kind of naughty. Yeah, it's kind of naughty, but the question is good. And I like the question because it shows that you're thinking this through. And I like that. So I'm going to show you something kind of naughty, what works really, really well. But the person that you do it to will hate you for doing it, all right? But it's completely legal. It's nothing illegal. It's just a person who you do it to is going to hate you. So what you want to do is you want to find out before you enter a product category if you can sell the product. That's basically what this question is all about. Can I sell the product before I invest in $1,000 worth of stock, whatever it may be? Do I know? How can I know if I'm going to be able to sell the product? Specifically, how can I know how much it's going to cost me to sell the product? I want the data before I invest my money, not after I invest my money. And I really like that. So here's what you can do. What you can do is you can start selling the product prior to actually listing it. And what you would do is, let's suppose that you were going to be selling strollers and trike. So trike strollers, all right? And that's the marketplace that you wanted to go into. What you would do is you'd search on Amazon for trike strollers. Let's just do that. Stroller trikes. So come here, and you can see that there's people with sponsored listings. That's the Amazon PPC that Dave was talking about. Well, what you'd do is come to the bestseller, which is what we were just on. That's that radio one just there, or Amazon's choice, should I say. Click on it. So bestseller or Amazon's choice, either is fine, all right? Click on it, and now you're on the listing. Now, open a new window and log into your Seller Central account in that country. So Amazon.com, log into your Seller Central account in America. Do that. Then come back to here, and you click where it says down here, have one to sell. You're going to sell one on Amazon. And what that's going to do, hopefully I'm not logged in, I'm not, that's good. What that's going to do is going to take you into your page, into your Seller Central account, and then allow you to put together an advert to sell that product. Now, you've got two options here. So your first option, which is I think probably the better way to go, but I'm going to give you both because, you know, I want to give you the good, the bad, and the ugly. So the first option is to buy the product yourself, all right? So buy the product, get it sent to a FBA prep service, for instance, keep it there, and then set yourself up as a seller on Amazon to sell that product by clicking on that sell on Amazon, and then you will go through the process of listing that product. And then once you've done that, you can then start running Amazon PPC to the product, and you'll get the pay-per-click costs, you'll get the conversions, you'll get everything, you'll get all the good data, all right? That's how you get that data. Now, so that's the gray hat strategy. Black hat strategy is not to buy the product at all, simply to have one to sell, list it for sale, and sell their product for them. Now, they're going to hate you for doing that, but you can do it on Amazon. And if you're looking to do it, to do this strategy without actually making the initial investment, then that's a simple way for you to do it, all right? So you just list it without actually owning it, and then when you make a sale, you buy theirs. If you make a sale, buy theirs and ship that one to them. That's how you do it. Pretty easy to do. As I said, the seller will hate you because what you're doing is hijacking their listing. But as a way of getting data, it's solid and it works really, really well. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.